Hi, I'm Conan. I'm here to tell you all about our cherry picker hire service. So this is an example of a typical cherry picker that we have in our fleet. It's the Multi-Tel MZ250, and we love these machines because they're very versatile. They're on a 3.5 ton chassis, a very compact chassis, but they still give a great height, a working height of 25 meters and an outreach of about 14 meters. We supply these with a fully trained, fully qualified operator that know how to work the equipment so that you can focus on doing your job and we can get you up there efficiently and safely. So when it comes to safety, we've got you covered. Our driver takes a spare harness and lanyard and a spare hard hat to every job for you to wear so that you can be super safe when you're working in the basket. So our service includes our driver coming straight to your job, so you don't have to waste any time collecting or returning vehicles from a depot.
Hello, London Cherry Picker Hire, how can I help you? Yeah, sure. Yeah, absolutely. I just need to ask you a few questions just to make sure we're the right solution for you. Yeah. So whereabouts is it you're based? Perfect.
So getting booked in is super easy. Either fill in the form on our website or give our friendly office team a call. They'll collect all the relevant details to ensure that your booking is as seamless as possible. So let's go and have a look at a unique job which involves our cherry picker in action with an aircraft. So if you've got a job coming up that involves some working at height, then remember a cherry picker and an IPAF qualified operator might be the best solution. It's often more cost effective than scaffolding and safer than ladders, so why not give us a call today on 0208 088 0611.